Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. Imagine that you are driving your car down the road, oblivious to the pains of the world. An overspeeding car from behind rams into your car, smashing the rear lights and denting the trunk. The jolt injures you. You get out despite the pain and approach the person responsible for your damage. You demand recompense. They refuse. You threaten to call the police. They choose to ignore you and speed off. You have been injured and your car has been damaged. Yet the law of the land does not afford you a remedy. New paragraph. In Pakistan, you have to die in a car accident for your heirs to be able to recover compensation under the Fatal Accidents Act 1855. Further, under the Pakistan Penal Code 1860, Section 320 can be invoked again only when someone has died due to rash and negligent driving. The provision provides for death compensation and punishment that may extend to 10 years. Separately, Section 279 of the PPC criminalizes rash and negligent driving that endangers human life and imposes a liability of up to 2 years imprisonment along with a possible fine of up to rupees 3000. A fine is collected by the state, whereas putting the negligent driver behind bars comes at a cost paid in part out of the taxes you pay. New paragraph. Meanwhile, the out of pocket expense is something you are forced to take on the chin, unless, of course, you are someone or are closely associated with someone who can have the police harass the negligent driver into compensating you. Otherwise, if you are fortunate enough to not die in a car accident, the negligent driver is under no obligation imposed by law to make you whole. New paragraph. Further, imagine that since you had gotten hurt in the accident, you make your way to the hospital. A doctor who is in a hurry sees you and prescribes a highly potent painkiller which is known to cause severe side effects. The medical profession, as a general matter, has developed a consensus against prescribing this painkiller. You, however, take the medicine as prescribed and develop an ulcer, full stop.